Hi Roblox fans! Here's another super useful tutorial by Instant Nerd for you. Today, I'll teach you how you can buy and redeem a Roblox gift card from Amazon. So, without any further delay, let's get into the process. First of all, open the Amazon website on your preferred browser like this. To shop anything from Amazon, you must have your account logged in. Now, search for the Roblox gift card like this. Pick your desired gift card. After going through the details, add it to your Amazon cart. From here, proceed to checkout. You may need to enter your payment and shipping details to proceed with your purchase. Once done, open the Roblox app on your PC. Now click on this More option here. From this menu, click on Gift Card. It will open your default browser and redirect you to a website link where it will ask you to sign in if you haven't already. Once you have signed in, you'll see this screen where you can enter and redeem the Roblox gift card code you have purchased from Amazon. That was easy, right? If you want to watch more such informative videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep learning about useful tech tips and hacks.